Hello, this is a quick demo of how to set up and test I2S on Melody and on the Texas Instruments TOV320 AIC33 EVM board. So first of all, there is an application note called Melody Audio I2S and TOV320 AIC33 on the Blue Creation website. I will be following that, so please familiarize yourself with that and make sure you have all the prerequisites from there. I am assuming that you have already connected the two boards together electrically. There is a schematic in the application note, and also that you have got the Texas Instruments software running correctly on your PC, and that the Texas Instrument board is set to default. So I'm going to ensure that switch 2.4 is off. That's already done on my board. Switch 2 is right down here. 2.4 is this one that's in the opposite position to the majority of the switches. So I'm launching the TI software. For me, it's in an XP virtual machine. So I'm going to follow the steps in the application note. So selecting I2C interface, not changing any of the addresses. And we can now see that it's connected. I'm also going to make sure it refreshes the indicators. So that's the first two steps gone. I'm now going to configure the audio interface. We are going to use I2S, 16 bits continuous transfer mode, and we have a 1-bit clock delay as per I2S specification. The bit clock and the word clock are inputs since Melody is master, so we're done with this pane. The next pane selects how to clock the TI codec, and we are going to clock it from the bit clock of the I2S interface and supply it with certain parameters as specified in the application note. Basically, the P parameter is 1, the K parameter is 32, and the R parameter is 1. This ensures that the codec is clocked at the same sample rate as the I2S interface on Melody, whatever that sample rate is. We are also going to enable the PLL and choose the clock source for the DAC and ADC as PLL devout. Apply those settings. The next thing we need to set up is we need to enable the DACs, and we need to feed some information into the DAC. So the left DAC is going to get the left channel input, the right DAC is going to get the right channel input. I'm going to slave the two gain levels, and I'm going to just put it to some positive value. Select the output path to left high power output driver on both. Then enable both. That enables the DACs, and we can now go to the high power outputs and configure those. What we need to do is we need to enable the first interface, the HPL output. For the HPL COM, set it to differential to HPL out and then disable it. Also enable the HPR output, and for the HPR COM, set the differential to HPR out and disable it. Now you need to set some volume on your outputs. They don't need to be the same, but it's nice to be able to hear what music is playing. So Melody is already configured to use audio equals 3, so I2S master 44 kHz and the default I2S compliant configuration for I2S, and it's prepared to my phone. So when I connect my phone to Melody, I should be able to play music, and we should be able to hear it through this wired speaker, which is connected to the iPhone output. I think the gains might be a bit too much. actually my mistake, you should set the COM ports to single-ended outputs and then disable them, because otherwise you get noise enhancement on the output. So as you can hear, I'm playing a song from my phone, and it's being played back through here. Now I can show you melody status. You can see that I'm streaming SBC at 44 kHz. I can, without changing any of the configurations on the codec, set the output rate of melody to 48 kHz. I don't need to write this when I stop streaming, or better still, disconnect A2DP. The audio interface is going to be reinitialized, and if I reconnect A2DP and start playback again, we're now playing back the resampled output at 48 kHz, and as you can hear, there is no artifacts on the codec side because the clocks are synchronized with melody. Thank you very much for watching this not so short video.